into individual slices. The True Top Ultra Waterfall Topping Applicator applies small-cut cheese, dried ingredients, meat and individually quick frozen vegetables to your pizza's production line. It provides high precision, uniform application and less than 1% floor waste, all in a compact hygienic design. This installation system is designed to package trays of strawberries in the Atlanta Flow wrapper at speeds of up to 120 trays per minute. It includes several manual loading stations and a conveyor belt checkware to ensure proper weight on trays. Is this the most modern packaging system you have seen? Leave us a like. The large quantity slicer 613 multi-slicer by Grope Company provides various fresh products, including oranges, onions and tomatoes. This offline commercial slicing machine is mobile, flexible and efficient, capable of slicing up to 90 strokes per minute. Please comment number 1 if you enjoy this delicious cake. Watching these machines in operation, we silently thank the engineers who created them. Topper Axis is the ultimate solution for precise depositing of all your drop. The Guitar Candy Cutter expertly slices confectionery items, boasting a frame that's easy to detach and replace. With over 3 decades of service, the PPM Technology VF vibrating conveyor line remains a steadfast, validated choice in the food sector. Its adaptable design crafts conveyor systems for diverse items, from light snacks to wet and frozen goods. The BDS 3800 water removal system excels in dehydrating fruits, salads and leaves, reducing moisture content to as low as 3% pre-drying. Witness a robot crafting pizza with finesse. The mobile fruit processing line offers a chance to engage in the fruit juice production process directly at your workplace. With a capacity of 1,500 kilograms per hour, it includes all necessary machinery for smooth juice production. And with the GS102 belt cutter, slicing fruits or pomegranate seeds is a breeze. Hygienic biscuit packaging safeguards products during transit. The salmon filleting machine simplifies processing, while the blueberry packaging and sorting line ensures peak efficiency. Of natural foods, while also inspiring and motivating your support of healthy and sustainable food production. We appreciate you being a part of this journey into the world of food technology. Don't forget to show your support by liking and commenting below. Get ready for more exciting discoveries in our next video.
The GoTech channel.